immensely happy to announce that today we have completed 1 year for our Apsid Skill Center. The basic idea of our chairman sir and his dream that our student should aware about all the latest technologies which are available in the market to be a competent engineer for this global competitive world. With this idea, we have started our Apsid Skill Center last year, and we are very happy that this center has been utilized by our students for different technologies. They have earned many certifications and got a major practical knowledge from this particular program of Apsid Skills.
Apsid Skills allow students to choose appropriate course as per their interest, to hands-on training with the help of industry experts, and finally go for international certification in a specific domain. We have more than 40 plus industry collaborations with globally trending technologies, and for each collaborations we have one trained faculty coordinator which coordinates with industry experts and students.
Right now the current scenario is, we all know that student is not having that much of capability and that much of knowledge about the core, but to empower the knowledge, skill and Apsid skill is definitely give them an additive advantage. See, every year and a 2 year technologies keep changing. To cope up with the technology, we have Apsid skill with us. So I can proudly say that Apsid skill is the only way to bridge the gap between industry and academia.
Now we have started with these all technologies. We have started our internship program also, in which more than 700 students are now doing the internship on a different technologies. As well as we are in plan to start it with a minimal fee for outside students also, because we have many inquiries that is it available for other students. So yes, we are coming with that idea also. Within few days it will be launched. Thank you once again. Thanks for the support of my complete team and my management, my principal and my all colleagues.
We are super excited to announce 1 year anniversary of APSIT Skills today. The APSIT Skills is an initiative of Pasna Charitable Trust and APSHA Institute of Technology to provide the training and international certifications in the futuristic technologies under one roof for engineering graduates in India. APSIT offers myriad ways of building engineering career through strong industrial collaborations. The globally trending technologies of the future are provided to our students at free of cost by our college. Its initiative to prepare industry readiness of engineers by inculcating the practical knowledge and hands-on training. Over this year, more than 3,500 students has completed APSIT skills certification and courses. We would like to thank and show our gratitude to our Honorable Chairman Sri Chirag Bhai Shah and management team for this great initiative to prepare industry-ready engineers and setting new trends in the field of technical education. I also thank and congratulate to the CEO of APSIT Skills Industries, Dr. Samir Nanivadekar, to take it to the next level.
At the end, I would like to take this opportunity to thank our mentors, Principal Dr. Uttam Kolekar sir, Professor A.M. Deshpande sir, and Dr. Samir Nanivadekar sir for their continuous guidance and support. Also, I would like to thank all my faculty coordinators of Apsid Skills for their hard work and efforts to make this initiative successful. Thank you.
In addition, we would like to take this opportunity to thank all our industry collaboration for trusting in APSIT, and we would love to continue this journey further in the future. Thank you.